What if the moon were replaced by other objects? Right here, at the same distance as our moon. This is Mars, and from here, it would completely transform the way Earth looks into the night sky. For this simulation, Mars has been placed into an orbit around Earth at approximately the same distance as our moon, about 384,000 kilometers. And there is something important we need to clarify. The configuration you're seeing is purely visual. We are not modeling the effects of tides, gravitational interactions, orbital evolution, or the long-term stability of the Earth-Mars system. For the purpose of this video, the system is being kept stable so we can simply see what these objects would look like from Earth. It would dominate the night sky. Its surface features would become visible to the naked eye, and depending on its position in the sky, it could appear many times larger than the moon we know today. But Mars is still relatively small, so let's make things bigger. Now, the moon has been replaced by Jupiter, and the difference is immediately obvious. Jupiter is more than 11 times wider than Earth. Placed at the moon's distance, it would completely dominate the sky. From the surface of Earth, this would be unlike anything our planet has ever experienced. For these scenes, we are deliberately ignoring the gravitational and tidal effects that an object this massive would have on Earth. We are keeping the system stable so we can focus on one question. What would it actually look like? And now, things get even more extreme. This is Saturn. Its rings alone would create a completely different sky. From Earth, the planet would appear enormous, while its rings could stretch across a huge portion of the heavens. But at this point, we've reached the limit of what planets can show us. So let's replace the moon with something far more extreme. This is PSRJ 04374715, a millisecond pulsar. It is a neutron star rotating roughly 174 times every second. Producing incredibly precise pulses of radiation. The yellow appearance of Earth in this simulation is only a visual representation of the extreme radiation environment. Earth, as we know it, would not remain habitable. And this is where the simulation stops being purely visual. The pulsar's enormous mass creates a gravitational interaction that Earth simply cannot ignore. As the two bodies interact, Earth is stretched by tidal forces. Its shape becomes increasingly distorted, until the planet can no longer hold itself together. Earth is torn apart. And what remains becomes a stream of debris orbiting the neutron star that collapsed our world. But we're not done yet, because there is something even more extreme. This is Cygnus X-1, a stellar mass black hole. But there's something we haven't seen yet. Our Earth Cygnus system is not alone. As we pull farther away, another object begins to appear. A massive blue luminous supergiant. This is HIP 98298, a star with a diameter of about 0.15 astronomical units. This enormous star is the companion of Cygnus X-1. Its powerful stellar wind supplies material that the black hole captures, feeding the accretion disk and producing the brilliant emission we see around it. And now, imagine standing on Earth. Above the horizon is a blue supergiant so enormous that it dominates the sky. And nearby, the black hole glows through its blazing accretion disk. Perhaps the strangest part isn't how these objects would transform our sky. It's how different the universe becomes when we simply change what orbits beside Earth.